Hi everyone. In today's video, we are going to understand the difference between Gen AI, AI agent and Agentic AI. We are going to take a real world example which will make us understand better how it works and where to put what type of problems that we are going to solve. Okay. So without wasting further time, let's get started. So the first topic is Gen AI or the generative AI. So the definition of Gen AI is AI models that generate content based on prompts. So what you do on ChatGPT is you just go to ChatGPT, you pass a prompt. Let's say you are the data engineer and you want to build an ETL pipeline. So you will go there, you will just pass a prompt like I want to build an ETL pipeline. And based on the prompt that you have given, it will return you the output. Okay. So it will just give you the steps how to build it and what can be the tool that you can use and all those things it will provide. So whatever prompt or the text that you have given, it has returned you the text, nothing else. Based on the text, it returns you the output. So that's the thing comes under Gen AI or the generative AI. So whatever tools takes the input as text, gives you text back, comes under Gen AI. Okay. It doesn't have any storage system. It doesn't act on your input that you have given. It just returns you the output based on the prompt that you have provided. That's it. So that's what we call it as generative AI or the Gen AI. Now the next topic is AI agent. So what is AI agent? A system that uses LLM plus tools to perform tasks based on the instructions provided by user. Okay. So AI agent is nothing but a big version of Gen AI, or we can say that a big version of AI agent with certain more functionality included in the tools or the model that we are having. So if we talk about AI agent, what it can do extra than Gen AI is it can use certain APIs, it can access your files, it can also execute codes, it can call functions as well. But the thing is, it will depend on the user to instruct per task. So let's say you have asked AI agent to build an ETL pipeline. So what it will do is it will perform certain tasks and again come back to you based on the question it is having. Okay. Say it has taken your input and again it came back to you with the question like where to store, which tools you want to use, where you want to store the results. So all those questions it will ask back to you, and as per your instruction per task it will give you the result. Okay. So it's not the fully autonomous, it's just an AI agent that will wait for your task or the instruction per task and provide the output as per the instructions that you have provided. Okay, you can see the flow over here is instruction that the user will provide and the AI agent will plan, it will use the tools and it will return the result based on the instructions that user has provided. Okay. There is one more example that I have shown over here is analyze this CSV and give insights. So what the AI agent will do is it will read the file, it will run the Python code or the code that we want to use, and then it will give you the summary of the result. That's it. It will not do anything else. It will not go for any goals. It will just do these things. And once these tasks are completed, it will return you the result. That's it. So that's what the AI agent is. Now the next thing is agentic AI. Here comes the most powerful thing that we are having in AI system for now. Okay. So what is agentic AI? So agentic AI is nothing but a goal-driven autonomous AI system that can create sub-goals, plans, long-term strategy, take multiple step actions, self-corrects or self-heals and iterates until goal is achieved. Okay. So we'll take again the same example, build an ETL pipeline. Our AI agent has done over here is it took your input. It again came back with the question that it was having. Okay. But over here in the AI agent, what it will do is it will take your input as a goal. It will create sub goals. It will provide sub goals to sub agents or different agents or the AI agents, and all those AI agents will work together, solve the problem, and based on that problem, it will again go to the reviewer agent, and a reviewer agent will decide whether all those things are solved or not. Once all those things, all the sub goals are solved, then it will return you the output, the final output. It will not come back with the question. That's the very beautiful things of agentic AI. Whatever goals that you have provided, it will go, it will complete that goal based on multiple agents that it has created, and it will give you the output. It has the functionality of self-correcting it. Okay, so let's say there is certain failure in the pipeline when it was creating the pipeline. Okay, so what it will do is it will go to reviewer agent. It will see, okay, this is the issue. It will debug it, it will solve it, and it will repeat the steps or the process again to complete the ETL pipeline. And based on that completion, once that is successful, then only it will give you the output. Okay, so that's what we call it as goal-driven autonomous AI system. So that's what the agentic AI is. So if you can see the flow over here, we have planner, we have executor, and we have reviewer. Okay, so in the planner, what all things come? The goal that user has provided. The goal is divided into sub goals, and sub goals is divided into the plans. Okay, once the plan is ready, it will go to the executor steps, and there will be agents like act and observe. It will act based on the plan, and it will observe the things that is required, or if there is any issue, it will observe it, and all those issues will be passed to the reviewer agent. Once those issues are resolved, or if there is not any issue, it will just give you the output. Else, if there is any issue or the agent feels that there is any issue, it will try to resolve that issues, and it will repeat the process. And once all those things are completed, then only it will give you an output. That's what the beauty of AI, agentic AI. Okay, let's say there is one more example. Launch and monitor a YouTube AI channel. Okay, so what agentic AI could do? It can research trending topics that we are having. Okay, it can generate scripts, it can create your thumbnails, upload your video via YouTube API, it can monitor the analytics, and it can also optimize future content. Okay, no any repeated human prompts required, nothing is required, just provide the goal and it will give you the output. That's it, and that's the beauty of AI agent. Okay, we'll take one more example, very simple example, and try to understand what is agentic AI and AI agent, because Gen AI is very clear. We have a very beautiful example of ChatGPT, but agentic AI and AI agent have a lot of confusions. Okay, so let's take an example. Let's say a person wants to book a trip. If that person passed this goal to agentic AI, what agentic AI will do is it will try to complete all the process that is required to book a trip. Okay, so what all things are required? Flight booking is required, hotel is required, and the plan is required. Okay, so all this activity will be done and it will be given back to the user. But if the same thing is asked to the AI agents with the question like, I want to book a trip, I want to book a trip. So what it will do is it will just say, sure, I will find flights for you. This AI agent has found certain flights. It will again go back to the user and it will say, okay, I have found these flights. Which one you want to book? So that's what the process of AI is in. So it will again go to the user, ask for the input, and perform the task based on the instruction or the input that user has provided. Okay, so that's what the difference between agentic AI and AI agent and Gen AI. Hope you have liked this video and have understand the difference between Gen AI, AI agent and agentic AI. So if this video has helped you, please subscribe to our channel, give us a like, and thanks for watching this video. See you later.